Hi, Lisa. How are you?
Hi, John. I'm good, thanks.
What do you usually do in the morning?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
That's early. I wake up at 8 a.m.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat cereal and fruit.
I like toast and jam.
That sounds delicious.
It is. What do you drink?
I drink coffee every morning.
I prefer tea in the morning.
Tea is nice. Do you exercise?
Yes, I go for a run.
That's great. I do yoga.
Yoga is very relaxing.
Yes, it helps me focus.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 a.m.
I start at 8:30 a.m.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I love it. What about you?
I enjoy my job too.
That's good to hear.
What do you do during lunch?
I usually eat with friends.
That sounds fun.
Yes, we laugh a lot.
I often read during lunch.
Reading is a good way to relax.
What do you do after work?
I usually go to the gym.
That's great. I go home.
Do you cook dinner?
Sometimes, but I order food.
I like to cook healthy meals.
What do you like to cook?
I love making pasta and salad.
Yum! I like pizza too.
Pizza is always a good choice.
What do you do in the evening?
I watch TV or read books.
I usually watch movies.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action and comedy films.
I prefer romantic movies.
That's nice. Any favorites?
I love The Notebook.
I've heard that's a good movie.
Yes, it's very touching.
Do you go to bed early?
Yes, I sleep by 10 p.m.
I stay up until 11 p.m.
What do you do before bed?
I like to read or listen to music.
That sounds relaxing.
What about you?
I usually journal before sleeping.
That's a great habit.
Yes, it helps me reflect.
Do you have any weekend plans?
I'm going hiking with friends.
That sounds fun. Where?
We're going to Green Hill.
I love that place.
Have you been there?
Yes, it's beautiful and peaceful.
I can't wait to go.
Do you like nature?
Yes, I love being outdoors.
What else do you do on weekends?
I like to relax and read.
That sounds nice.
What do you do on weekends?
I usually meet friends or play games.
What games do you play?
I play video games and board games.
That sounds fun.
It is. I enjoy it a lot.
We should play games together sometime.
Yes, that would be great.
What's your favorite board game?
I love Catan. It's strategic.
I like a Monopoly. It's classic.
Yes, Monopoly is a lot of fun.
We should have a game night.
I'm in. Let's plan it.
How about next Saturday?
That works for me.
Great. I'll bring snacks.
I'll bring drinks.
Perfect. It will be fun.
I can't wait to play.
Me too. It's going to be exciting.
Do you have any other hobbies?
I like painting and drawing.
That's cool. I can't draw well.
Practice makes perfect.
Maybe you can teach me.
I'd love to help you.